Hello viewers, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are seeing this video. My name is Samuel. So you can contact us for your project on 081 03 84 568. So this is our POP installation for anteroom. So you can see it's a very unique and lovely design. So for your interior and exterior decoration, you can reach out to us via WhatsApp on 081 03 84 568. Our price is very affordable. Price is not a problem. Location is not a barrier. So we are there at your doorstep to give you what you want. Thank you so much. God bless you.